How to change the server in Rainbow Six Siege. Welcome to the channel and let's start with a quick tutorial. So this process will not require any VPN connection. So you can actually go ahead and head back from your website or your Steam. Then you actually have to go ahead and open up your folder on your PC. In here you have to browse through all the folders to find out where you have actually saved your Rainbow Six Siege. It might be in the My Games folder in your PC. Once you go ahead and open up your Rainbow Six Siege, you have to go ahead and browse for game setting of your Rainbow Six Siege. Then once you find your game setting, you have to tap open and you will see a display something like this. Right below data center, you will see some of the regions given to you. And at the bottom, you will see there is data center hint equals to default. To change this default to any of the region that we want to, what you actually have to do is you have to erase the default. Then go ahead and type in play fab backslash and the region that you want to play on. For an example, if you want to play on the server of West Europe, you have to type in playfab-West Europe and give it an enter. Now once you do this, you actually have to go ahead and restart your PC and your game also. And when you open up and you check your server, you will actually find yourself in the West Europe or any other server region that you have selected. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.